ask the family of Eileen and Alan, kayo po ba sinabihan kayo ng Secretary of Justice o ng Bureau of Correctional ni Mr. Peldon na lalabas na itong pumaslang sa inyong mga anak? Mrs. Gomez?
Not all, Your Honor.
Not at all. So you just found out in the newspapers. And how did you feel nung malaman yung gano'n na lalabas na?
Of course.
Pakilapit lang po sa mikropono. So sila sabi po na Senator Luisa, yun ho, dapat, kung may lalabas, dapat hindi lang yung pamilya ng preso ang sasabihan, pero yung pamilya na nasaktan, hindi po ba? How did you feel po?
Of course, it's just as painful as before, and even more, we are more fearful this time.
You were shattered, of course, by the information.
Yes, I was on a long trip, Your Honor, and I was going home, and it was in the bus TV that I saw my son, OJ, being interviewed. And then I only wished that OJ would not have surfaced at all, because there has been some destabilization attempts long before. And so I heard this guy saying, when he was asked, anong pakiramdam mo ngayon? Of course, there is fear in again. Of course, there is fear again.
Yung nga po ang tatanungin ko susunod. Dapat tanungin kayo dahil may kamandag pa yung mga yan. Ano po, tama po ba yan?
Yes.
Pwede niyang habulin yung state witness. Tama po ba yan?
Yes.
Pwede kayong harasin.
Yes.
Especially na hindi pa siya nagsosorry, walang remorse. Walang remorse. Tama po ba yan?
For the very reason na kami yung malapit.
Nanghingi po ba ng tawad sa inyo?